Hello, Forex traders. How are you guys doing? Good to do you. The last video I have done on 2nd November, where I have given some indication and to visualize those indication, I did mention that it can form a possible daily double top here, but it didn't. Rather, it went up directly without breaking all this resistance here. It was a very heavy resistance in daytime, but it didn't. The price didn't respond here. Now, so far the last prediction, it's supposed to come up to here, but and here is the weekly top. Uh, Here I made some mistake. I would like to show you guys those things, so please bear with me. Let's go to month first. In month, we can see that in month there is nothing significant information here. Only 2-3 things we should keep in mind. It is in downtrend, and most of the cases it highest consolidate for 4 months, or if you can say for 5 months, then it break out either upward or downward, not more than unusually for 4 months here, but normally 3 months it consolidates. So we are here already 3 months is consolidating. There is first information. We can see that it has a break of structure here, and that's why the price went down in August. In September, we have a very big bullish candle, momentum candle, and this break broke the top of the previous August red candle. Then again in October we have a bearish candle, but however the price retraced back severely and opened in November, and it has a very high acceleration in compared to the time frame of monthly, that it has almost covered a very good body of the previous month. So if in this month if this candle crosses this line, then we have a change of character. We can say that, but it doesn't confirm that the trend has shifted. We have to have a break of structure, and which is here. The break of structure is here. So it's a long way to go. Otherwise, we are still in downtrend. Maybe it will go up and come down, and we don't want any certain assumption that the trend is changing. It is ranging rather than changing. It is ranging. Okay, that's for the month. For week, this is the situation. We had a double bottom. This double bottom has been created here. In week, we can see it very clearly. Week, we have created a double. The market has created a double bottom, but the measurement of this top is wrong. That is the mistake I made. Actual week double top has been formed here. This was the guy who is responsible for weekly double top, which I completely overlooked, and I put a wishful line here, and I beg your pardon for my mistake. Please bear with me and excuse me for this mistake. So if I do that, then it should be here, and all this line becomes invalid. Because to form a double bottom, we need red and green, and to form a double top, we need a green and red. Please keep it in mind. To form a double bottom, we need red and green, and to form a double top, we need green and red, green and red. So this is the thing. Currently, we have this top. These are the two tops we form the weekly double top, and for this top, this bottom is responsible. Now the price has stopped here and it went down, and it is formed a double bottom in the weekend going up. Now why it has stopped here, we need to find that out, and we have to find out how far it will go, or it will form a double top here. In monthly there is maybe in monthly it will come here. Let's see if we visualize this in weekly. Can we see where it is heading in weekly? Yes. Monthly, clearly if the price is rejected or stops here, then we can say that we may have a resistance, peak resistance there. So coming back to, let's remove it. Let's get back to day. Now in day, the latest, we will consider the latest. So previous, we predicted that there is a possible daily double top here, but it didn't. There is no red candle. So the next thing it can happen is this, that it will be held here. Before we do in daily analysis, we need to mark the weekly lines properly, otherwise we will not be able to see the leading markings where the price can react, and that's for sure. So this is half of the week, double top and double bottom, and make it a dashed line, and then we have if we measure half of this will be 75%. Let's measure half of that. We have a 75%, make it a dotted line. So these two things will be required in day time frame. It is available, and also we need to see it is available. Okay, so let's go to day. In day time frame, we can see now that the 50% of week is lying here, and there is a chance that it may, I repeat it may form a double top here, possible double top. So which is we need to consider, keep it in mind. Let me remove these lines now. And so we can focus more clearly. So if we see that we have a very, in weekly, if we go, this is a very big momentum candle, so I don't think price is going to stop so easily. Now it will go high. The probability of price is going up is high now, because you can see there is no sign of weakness so far. No red candle we can see now, still now. So this we can remove now. And here we can see that if we possible, this is possible daily, but if we increase a little, we can see that there is a weekly double top here. Can you guys see this? And this is the weekly half mark. So, and if we measure this candle, you can also see these. Let's remove this, possible. Let it come here, then we will define. And we can see that very clearly that previous weekly daily double top is actually just near the half of this candle. So the clear indication here I can give you is simple, that from here to here you can see it made a double bottom here, so let's put it right now. So if we put it like this, now the price, if we measure properly, it will break. If it reaches here, then this door will open. This door will open, believe me, if the price reaches here. And once it reaches here and breaks this barrier, once the price reaches here and breaks this barrier, it may go up to here, but the safe zone is 50%, somewhere here. So what are the significance we can see, as we have not found any red candle yet in daytime frame, and this is our neckline. So let's see what is going to happen. First of all, we can see there is a big place here to play and here to play, and that's why it has stopped here. Otherwise it could have been went up. So let's mark it that the price can form a double top here too. There is a possibility. There is a possibility, and if price crosses this boundary, then it will come here. So what we can see, we should wait to cross this zone. If it crosses this zone, then it will do something like this, because you can see there is a huge rejection here, and which pushed the price and started this downtrend in daytime frame. So maybe there may be not this much test, but there will be test. And once it goes up, it will test this area. If it doesn't stop, then it will go at least we can say half of it. So let's measure half of it. It will come somewhere like this place. Let's put the mark. It will come something like this. Now please note that I measured this based on that the price will come here, from here to here, so it will come here. So based on that, the half is here. But if we measure just from here, then the price will be same as the 75% of the weekly retracement or weekly measurement. So this is one option we have. The second option, in daytime frame, we can see that can we go to 4 hours and check if there is no red, nothing is here. There is nothing here anymore. So let's get back to day. So this is another possible double top it may form. So there is 3 things here can happen. The price will fail here, and it will come down. It will retest, and if it does, if it acts like this, then we I think if it makes a double top here for any reason, then the price will come down here first. I mean, let's put it in perspective like this, that the price will come here. The price will come here, and the reason it will come here, it will complete its 50% journey here from this top to here. So let's put it up to this place for the time being and make it red. Another thing can happen, that if price for any good reason went up and maybe a little bit higher, but it will fail, it will retest, and it will come down here. Because you see, market needs to breathe, and we have seen market to breathe here only. So in daily time frame, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 to 11 candlesticks are very dangerous places where the market starts moving, shifting its trend. So we are in the uptrend, and here you can say that there is much higher number of candles, but the problem here is this, that it has taken a lot of, it has a lot of breathing space here. So it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, then it went up. But here we can see that it came up, went down, and still it is going. So the strength is slowly the strength is getting weak here. So keep that in mind, and we have this weekly and daily double bottom here, so we have to keep that in mind also. So this is a weak zone now. If we have more than two double bottom we have a double bottom in two different time frame, then that zone becomes weak. So this is one thing I can see, and it will come down, or the other thing is it will go here and it will break out and it will reach 50%. However, it may go up here a little bit, and don't fall in this trap, because there is a huge chance this trap can be made by the BFIs. So people will think that it is going upward. And here is another zone we need to consider before price pushes up on upside. This is a zone where we can see some reaction. And here we don't have any zone anymore. If price falls, it will fall. So that's it for the AUDCHF. However, we can make some zones to see in 4 hours that if price comes down, where it can get stuck. You can see this is a place where it can get stuck in 4 hours. This is a opposite side candle which is created, very powerful candle, either this area or maybe this area or maybe this area. These are the 3 areas where price can react. So this is where we have shown already that this area, the price will, of course the price will react, will come here at least if it comes down. So for in 4 hours we can see this is marking in this area, but before that this area can show a reaction very clearly. Thank you very much. For disclaimer, I would like to mention clearly, any trade taken by you guys are completely your own responsibility, neither me. take any responsibility of the profit and loss on the trade you take based on this analysis. Thank you very much for your time, and please, if you like the video, give like it and subscribe it. And one more thing, I would like to know what is going on your side. If you have a better analysis or insight, I would love to learn from you guys. Have a good day. Thank you.